Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Discovery traffic drop. First, check your content quality. Google Drive shows all content that is usually fresh and interesting. Make sure your article has clear title, good image, and helpful information. Update old post with new fact or detail in needed. Second, check your website traffic in Google Search Console. Look for the discovery report to see which the traffic drop started. This can help you to understand if the drop happened after content change or update. Post fresh and timely content. Google Discovery often shows recent or trending topics. Try to publish new content regularly, especially on the topic people are currently searching for. Check your mobile experience. Most discovery used for on mobile devices. Make sure website loads fast, look clear, and works well on phone. Avoid misleading titles, clickbait, or low quality content. Focus on helping trustworthy and original information. Finally, be patient. Google Discovery traffic can change often. Keep posting high content and your traffic make record over time. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.